I live in Stilfontein and it's a mine town, and most of the people in Stilfontein work on the mines. My father, he works in the mine and he worked for 20 years now and he's still working there. And my father had a good salary, but the income and things like that dropped in the few last months. Now the government told the mine that they must take away some white and put in more black. And the black, they didn't want the low salaries. They demanded higher salaries. And that is why they took some of the whites' money and give it to the blacks. We had a black person working in our home and she had a good salary. But then she took off and now we must do all our own work in the home. I wash the dishes, I work in the garden and I'm cleaning the home. I want South Africa to be a better place. I want the blacks in their own place where they would be ruled and the whites in their own place where they would be ruled by their own people and God will rule supreme. If we don't get our own place where we can rule ourselves, there won't be peace. Because if God wants us to go into a war, there will be a war.
If it is necessary and we go into war, we will not fight driven by hate, but we will fight driven by the love of God which lives in our hearts.
The AWB was started in 1973 by our leader Eugene Ter Blanche. He had a vision to see that we will one day have to fight for our own freedom, and that materialized now. And I am proud because I'm AWB, because we're standing for our folk, our God and our land. In the Bible, I read it there. There stands that a sheep and a buck can graze together in one land, but they won't sleep together and they won't mix. And that is why I believe in that, because God inspired the people that wrote the Bible that it must be like it.